All right, hey guys, welcome to Can Crypto, where we talk about cannabis stocks and cryptocurrency. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. This is just my opinion based on my research and my personal investments. So today we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to mix the cannabis stocks and the cryptocurrency. I'm trying to find some different formats that just see what people enjoy watching the most, because I'm not making these for me. I'm not watching them after I make them. So, I'm making them for you guys. I want them to be useful. So please comment. Just let me know, what you think. But I'm thinking about making it more of a show format and, instead of just the short, little recap videos and everything like that. But let me know what you think. I mean, I'll probably do some of everything, but like I said, I just want to do what's entertaining and what's going to be the most useful for everybody. So that being said, let's get into the cryptocurrency because that's been going crazy today. And then we'll check back in and then go to cannabis. All right, so let's go through coinmarketcap.com here to see what's going on in cryptocurrency today. Big things today. We'll see, what holds up, what doesn't. But back over 3,500 again for Bitcoin. That's a big deal right now as of 8:43 p.m. Monday, December 17th on coinmarketcap.com. It's showing a 9.18% change in the last 24 hours on Bitcoin. XRP, which is one of my favorites, now up to 34 cents. Got all the way down to like 28, 29 cents in this last drop here. So that's up 18.2% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, 11% about. EOS, almost 30%. Wow, what a difference. Stellar 14, Tether not much, Litecoin 12, Bitcoin Cash 11, Bitcoin SV 4.5. So, just a lot of, all the way down. IOTA, Cardano 14, Monero 12. You guys know I'm a big fan of Cardano, so I'm big on that. Anyway, so we're just seeing a lot of them. Tron there, 10.97. Green all the way. Dogecoin, 22%. Fucking weird one, man. So just a lot up. Who knows what this means in the long term, but in the short term, things are looking really, really good. So, let's see what happens tomorrow. And we'll figure it out from there. All right, so as you can see, cryptocurrency going crazy today. Cannabis, not so much. There is movement, but not a lot. Things are getting pretty stagnant. Started to move a couple days last week, but that's what happens. You get ups and downs. The market's unsure. It's a new market, but like the cryptocurrency market, lots of good news. Just the prices aren't moving with it. So it'll all catch up eventually. It's just a matter of when. And but anyway, let's get into the cannabis stocks and we'll run through my watch list, see what's there. I'll go over my thoughts on a couple, buy sell points, stuff like that. And if you guys, comment below and just let me know what you think, what you're buying, what you're selling, everything like that. And just any opinions you have, anything you want to say. And we'll just keep this going. Don't forget to share. If you find this useful, share. Let's get this out there, build this community, and we'll be able to just be able to get more knowledge. More opinions, more knowledge, more people working together. It'll be a good thing. Anyway, let's get into the watch list. All right, so let's go over the cannabis stock watch list here, starting with Golden Leaf. Zoom in a little bit here. Down. Batis had a nice little up, down. We'll see if it holds at 6. If it holds at 6, that's a good thing. We could easily see an up to 9 or 10. Blue line is leveling out, so hopefully we'll see an up on that sometime soon. I've got a ways to go on that. XXII had a good week a couple days ago, but this week's about a week ago, but this week's been going down. I've always liked that 1 to 2. We'll see if it gets back down there. ACAN, was going nice little up, got a 375, and then it's just been taking its way back down to 175. So that's probably a really good buy. I mean, when you look back, 150 is a solid mark. I've got an alert there at 150. That hits 150. There's a good chance that I buy a few shares of that. AMMJ Leaf Buyer down 2.66, so 66 cents. It's a descending pattern, so if this thing gets down to like 40 or something like that, even like 35, then yeah, maybe so. For the next up, you play it up to like $1, something like that. MSIG coming back down. I really like that in the 15 range. Mass Roots. Man, this is one of those that's just weird to me. It's obviously, very much descending over time, but it has these big spikes. Probably anywhere in here is probably a good buy because the chances of it spiking at least to 20, 30 cents, is really good. It's due for something. When the market goes up, it should spike pretty big. It's a, $15 million market cap, so not a lot there. So THC, BF, just down 25. You're hitting some previous lows here. So that, is a pretty solid place. This would probably be a pretty solid place to buy in. Spherics, Cappy. Oh, let's see here. Future Farm, down. That's probably a great buy. A lot of these are probably really good buys. Kushco. That's been kind of a weird one. It's holding up. It's about to go down. Maybe 5 would be a good point, but we'll see how that one. Canopy Growth. That one's still been, generally trending up. If it goes back down to 25, that's, kind of establishing a different pattern, but we'll see there. Tilray, down. When that gets to 50, I'd imagine it'll probably have a bounce point, but I think it'll go down to at least 50, if not quite a bit under that. Let's see. So we're into some of the bigger ones. Kronos. The bigger ones have been, pretty steadily moving up. And so, you see some differences between the bigger ones and the smaller ones. Although they are all having, pretty big ups and downs. So Cara Therapeutics, just been tanking the last week or two. I shouldn't say tanking, but going down quite a bit. Let's see here. American Group. It's probably not a bad buy. What's this A-leaf here? So TerraTech having a huge down day, 24%. Somebody told me that they had some bad news. They got mixed up in some things, and so I haven't gotten a chance to look into it yet, not off the top of my head. But thank you to them. I'll have to go back and look on the comments. But that's like I said back. That's why I do this. So MJ&A, Medical Marijuana Inc. This is actually it's going up on the hemp news with the Farm Bill, and that's been a huge up. Shit, this thing gets back down to 60. That's pretty solid. Smart Cannabis. I've always liked this one at 30. It's down below. In order to pick this thing up at 25, probably would not be a horrible idea. CanTrust Holdings might have a good bounce at 5 there. Freya could be a good buy down there at 4. But yeah. So anyway, that's some of what's going on with cannabis right now. Let me know where you guys are at buying, selling, what you're buying, what you're selling, what you're holding, and let's keep it moving. All right, hey you guys, hope this was informative. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this format. If you like this, if you like the shorter ones, if you like a mixture. other than that, shit, leave comments. Be sure to follow, hit the bell. If you find it useful, share it because somebody else probably will too. And I just like to build up a community so we can all make some money together.